Well, hello there, this is Diamond from Diamond Shine Soap. Guys, I'm excited to see you today. Today we're going to be doing something really cool. Today we're going to be making an all-purpose cleaner. Now, if you want the entire recipe, it will be found on my Patreon. On this channel, I go over candle making tips, tricks, recipes for soap, lotion, body butters, body scrubs, you name it, body oils, hair oils, so much. You go to the Patreon and you start at the $10 level, you'll have access to pretty much everything on the platform. But if you want to up your game and get vendors, label templates and things like that, if you like my labels, normally I give them out. You will find all of that on the Patreon. Okay, all right, so let's go ahead and get right into it. Those are the bottles that we're going to be using for our all-purpose cleaner. I chose these bottles because it's easy to label. They're not really big, so when it comes down to the amount of space that we need to label it, it's perfect. Okay, all right, so with this all-purpose cleaner, guys, there are a few ingredients that we're going to be using. Now, this only thing that this cleaner is not good for is glass. So if you need to have a glass cleaner, then eventually we'll have a glass cleaner video, okay? First things first, we're going to be using a preservative. The reason why a preservative is so important is because you don't want to make any cleaner or anything with water and then you end up growing mold or mildew or something like that. We're going to be using some distilled water. I recommend distill only because you won't find some of the stuff that you will find in like your regular tap water or any other water, so just use distilled water. Okay, so the next thing we're going to be using is some cocoa bee. The reason why we're using that is because this will give us the bubbles that we want inside of our cleaner. Now, we can make a cleaner and it will be good to just really clean the floors and shine and stuff like that, but we want to have a little bit of bubbles in it. That way you can clean your countertops with it, you can clean your table with it, your shower and stuff like that, and it will work phenomenally. Okay, the key ingredients to this cleaner is lemon oil. Lemon oil is really good. Lemon oil can clean, shine, and degrease. It's an all-purpose cleaner and air freshener. Listen, you can use a little bit of this and it actually dilutes a gallon. Okay, so let's just say we use about 4 ounces. 4 ounces will cover 1 gallon. So and this stuff is not really expensive at all, so it's definitely something that's good to put with your cleaner because you're going to get all of these amazing benefits, and at the same time you are not going to spend much on your product. Okay, making this product will be very quick and easy. The ingredients is easy. Okay, so we're going to be using some polysorbate 20 in this recipe as well, and so we're just using that to bind the oil and the water and everything together. That's what normally we do with the polysorbate. Okay, all right, so we won't be using fragrance in this ingredients. This is the only fragrance that I need is this lemon, you know, but if you do want to add fragrance, I will put that in the Patreon for you as well. So let's go ahead and make our all-purpose cleaner. I'm going to put on the screen the benefits of using this cleaner so you guys will know, because I don't want to miss anything. If I just start calling things out, just basically saying, oh, this cleans the grill, it degreases, it cleans the kitchen, it cleans the floors, it leaves it like an air freshener. There's so much more that I'm missing. So I'm just going to go ahead and put it on the screen for you guys so you guys can see. And you're going to need some bottles that have like a pump on it, and that's pretty much it for this particular recipe. You don't need any other ingredients except for that. Okay, all right, so go ahead and put my poly. Okay, so this is the lemon oil, and I'm basically putting it inside of a cap just to make sure that I put exactly what is needed for the recipe, because if you over pour it and put too much, it will be too much. A little go a long way in this particular recipe and any other recipe that you use with this oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix everything together. And pour this into my bottle. And it does smell really good. It smells really good. So I had some Viva paper towels, and you know Viva paper towels is just like a washcloth. This stuff smells really good. It's really strong. You can smell it from a mile away. So if you're cleaning your home, your customers are gonna love it first of all, because most people love the smell of lemon. I don't know too many people that don't like the smell of lemon. So what you do is you go ahead and you just spray it on the surface, and you just go ahead and wipe. So what you're doing is you're pretty much cleaning, and you're giving your wood a good shine, your countertops, anywhere you clean. You know, this stuff is really good and effective. I really, really love it.